Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We meet again today in the state philosophy class or Pancasila class. For today, we are continuing our topic for the past 2 weeks, which is Pancasila as the ideology of the state. And the subtopic is we will discuss about the relation between Pancasila and religion. And for your information, in Pancasila there is a philosophical basis for the relationship between the state and religion. And also Pancasila is the great work of the Indonesian nation, and the founders of the Republic of Indonesia is the one who becoming our representation in discussing uh, to find and to dig to discover about the formulation of our cultural values, which is as we call it five uh, values, which is Pancasila. And uh, about the concept of God, the concept of God in Pancasila. In Pancasila, God is the one and only. So the first principle in Pancasila pronounced as belief in the one and only God, and the meaning of this principle is the God that in Pancasila is similar with the concept of God in Islam, Christian, Catholic, Buddhism, Hinduism, Confucianism, even animism. And the consolidation of the position of Pancasila means that awareness of the existence of God belongs to all people and various religions. It means that most of Indonesian people, most of the member of Indonesian nation, most of them are believe in the one and only God. So, which is why the divine value is the first principle in Pancasila. And according to the Notonegoro, Notonegoro is one of the Pancasila thinker in Gajah Mada University, Yogyakarta. He said that the material cause of Pancasila is the Indonesian nation or the people of the archipelago. The values of Pancasila, which are extracted from the Indonesian people, are in several forms, which are values, cultural customs, religious values, and these extracted from the daily life of the Indonesian people, or from the culture that was practiced, that was implemented by the Indonesian people since ancient time. In the book of Sutta Soma, which was written by Empu Tantela, there is an important sentence which pronounced Bhinneka Tunggal Ika Tanhana Dharma Mangrua. It means that even though we are different, but we are one. Because basically, the purpose of all religions is only one, which is worship to the one and only God. That is the agreement, the consensus of the Indonesian nation. And uh, the uh, the motto of Bhinneka Tunggal Ika uh, also express the religious tolerance the attitude of religious tolerance, which was applied by all of Indonesian people, almost all. And also the state of Indonesia, the Republic of Indonesia, also guarantees freedom of religion in Indonesia, which is basically an implementation of the first principle of Pancasila, which is belief in the one and only God. And there is another regulation according to the freedom of religion in in the 1945 Constitution, which was below Pancasila. The regulation regarding the implementation of religious freedom is contained in the Article 29, paragraph 2 of the 1945 Constitution, which reads, the state guarantees the freedom of every citizen to embrace his own religion, to worship according to his religion and belief. So it is free in Indonesia to worship God according to our own belief. Okay, and also the guarantee of freedom of religion in the Republic of Indonesia is also strengthened by the next article in the 1945 Constitution, Article 28E, paragraph 1, which pronounce everyone is free to embrace religion and worship according to his religion, choose education and teaching, choose work, choose citizenship, choose a place to live in the territory of the country and live it and entitled to the term. That is one of the guarantees of freedom of religion in Indonesia. And also there is also the law below the 1945 Constitution, the law number 39 of 1999 concerning human rights, Article 22, which pronounce first one, everyone is free to embrace his own religion and to worship according to his religion and belief. And also in paragraph 2, the state guarantees the freedom of everyone to embrace their own religion and to worship according to that religion and belief. So that is the relation between Pancasila and religion in Indonesia. And there is a guarantee of religious freedom, and also the motto of Indonesian nation, or Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, also one of the basis of religious tolerance. Okay, I think that's all for today. If you have questions, you can deliver it in the Zoom meeting. Thank you for your kind attention. See you in the Zoom meeting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.